This right here, guys, is the Paloma Mimosa. For those of you who don't know what a Paloma is, we have the Paloma on the website, I think. Okay, so you go check out how to make that. But there's a twist on that which we turn into a mimosa. So tequila, come behind that with some lime juice. Okay, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Come behind that with some grapefruit juice. Okay. A lot of times you see squirt in Palomas as well. We add a little bit of Grenadine. Okay. Give us a nice little red color. Shake, 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 shake. And you can pour that in the base. All right. You don't need to use the Grenadine if you don't want to. Okay. Because Paloma's usually like grapefruit. And then, but it adds a nice color to it. And then we pour champagne on top of that. Okay. So it's really up to you if you want Grenadine or not. And also to taste, you know, if you like it sweeter with the Grenadine, then go ahead. If not, then don't. But guys, we have dozens and dozens of mimosas on tipsybartender.com. We have a lot of mimosas, okay? Like all kinds. So if you looking for something different at your Sunday brunch or your Saturday brunch or on lunch when you're taking a little break from work like I used to, hit us up. We got you covered. We'll give you something different each day of the week. Stay tipsy.